अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे साथ इस वक्त अहमद साहब मौजूद हैं। इनको पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत का जज्बा इतना ज़्यादा है इनके अंदर कि ये आज पाकिस्तानी मैच देखने आए हैं और मैं इनसे सवाल पूछूंगी, टू whom you are support in this match?
So I'm very happy. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm very happy today because mashallah Pakistani match is very 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 nice. So I like cricket today. Mashallah, it's very good.
So who invited you for this match today?
So match Kunsulin in Bakban is
So the basic question.
Your favorite team is Pakban, right?
yes on Kunsulin. No
And you
problem.
are supporting Pakban and PGA because they are playing the match together. I mean, they are
Yeah.
one team, right?
Yes.
So what we can say? I mean, what's your name? Which we can say to you.
So I'm very happy because Pakistan now is cricket. Pakistan is start now Saudi Arabia.
What's your famous name? The people know on the name.
My name is Ahmad. People they tell me Kala Khan.
Kala Khan.
Yes, of
Pakistani Kala.
So I'm very happy.
So finally, I need your message for Pakistani community here.
So I'm very happy all Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.
Okay, one slogan. Pakistan.
Zindabad!
Jiye jiye.
Pakistan!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.